Got the strippers right here, and you got the crimps right here. It shows you the different color for different size crimps. But man, I love this thing. Check it out. Real easy to use. You stick your wire in the side like this, and you just pull it. Snatches it off. Look at that. It used to have a little plastic thing right here, so you could set it so every time you stick your wire in, it would hit that little plastic thing, and you'll have the same size strip every time, and you can adjust it, but it broke off, so I gotta eye it. But it's not bad. Pretty easy. So this is just temporary. I'm testing out the lights. So this is going to be temporary hookup. So I can test out the lights. I'm going to do it with my tape. So I'm going to test out the lights, make sure they work. The back ones I already did, which are right here. Let me switch it. So here's the switch for the back. You see the little red light on? And cut it on, the green light comes on. So it's really bright. You can see it out the back. So let's get a little darker. I'll show you what they look like. But I am going to hook up the front right now. As soon as I find my tape. I'll be right back. I got the lights hooked up.